Welcome my dear student in the digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are discussing about rational numbers, and last day we discussed about how to represent rational number on number line. I hope so my dear student, up to there is no doubt in your mind now. So let's start a next part, that is method to find out the rational numbers between two given rational number. We are here interested to calculate how many numbers we can find out in between the two rational numbers. Before starting this topic, I will tell you how to find out rational number when only one number is given to you. Let's take your question number 3. Write the 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So as you all know, by using number line you can see 2 is on positive side and we need to write smaller than 2. That means all the number those are on the left hand side of a 2, like 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, all they are smaller. You can write all these numbers, as well as if you are writing in the form of p upon q, you can write 1 upon 3, -1 upon 9, 0 upon 1, -1 upon 5, 1 upon 2, and so on. Because there are so many numbers, you can select any number. Those are toward the left side of a 2. So in similar way, you have question number 6. Write the 5 rational number greater than -2. Same is the case. Greater than means we need to move toward right side. Right side means -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All they are greater than 2. In simple language, you can say all the positive rational number are coming in this category. Directly you can write -3 upon 2, -1, -1 upon 2, 0, 1 upon 2, and so on. Even you can write these answer according to your own choice. Or that's why I have written all positive rational number. You can select any positive rational number and you can write here all those are greater than -2. So let's move toward very important part of the unit. That is how to find out rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. So here you have question number 4. Find 10 rational number between -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Before starting this question, let me make you very clear here. We have here two rules. One is n plus 1 rule. One is a plus b upon 2. Both method is correct. According to first method, where I did underline in rough area, n plus 1, n belongs how many numbers are we need to calculate. In this question, n is 10 because 10 rational number we need to calculate. And if you are using second formula, that is a plus b upon 2, then a is our first rational number, that is -2 upon 5, and b is 1 upon 2. You can select any formula from here, but let me start with the first formula, that is n plus 1. To apply this n plus 1 rule, first we need a denominator similar. So in a question it is very clear, -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2 both have different denominator. First denominator is 5, second denominator is 2. So my dear student, to start this question you need to take LCM first. Let's start how to write given rational numbers -2 upon 5 and 1 upon 2. Here LCM of 5 and 2. As you all know, 5 and 2 both are prime number. That means we can directly multiply them. 5 to the 10. 10 is the LCM. So the next work is to convert this denominator into 10. So let's see how to write -2 into 2 upon 5 into 2. 5 to the 10 and 2 to the 4, but -4. So here you can see now denominator become 10, and in second case 1 upon 2 we need to multiply by 5 and 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. In this way we get two number. One is -4 upon 10, second is 5 upon 10. Now you can see I did underline both number. Both have same denominator. After finding same denominator, your work start from here. Then you need to see how many number we need to calculate. That is the value of n. Here n is 10. In a question it is clearly written 5, 10 rational numbers. So next step, do n plus 1, that means 10 plus 1 is 11. After finding this number, you need to multiply minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10 by 11. So to find 10 rational numbers between given numbers, multiply numerator and denominator by n plus 1, that is your 11. So you can see I have written, we have minus 4 into 11 upon 10 into 11. Minus 4 into 11, 11 4 ja 44 and minus 44. And 11 10 ja 110. Next case, you have here 5 into 11. 5 11 ja 55 and 11 10 ja 110. Now my dear student, you can see in rough area I have written 44 to 55 minus 44 to 55. We have so many numbers. You can see like that, minus 43, minus 42, minus 41, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 55. So many numbers we have. Then you can write any number from minus 44 to 55, divide that number by 110, that is your answer. I have selected some numbers, 10 rational numbers between minus 2 upon 5 and 1 upon 5 are minus 40 upon 110, minus 30 upon 110, minus 20 upon 110, minus 10 upon 110, 0 upon 110, 1 upon 110, 10 upon 110, 20 upon 110, 30 upon 110 and 40 upon 110. So it is very clear to you, my dear students. We have choice here to select any number that is coming in between minus 44 to 55 and divide that number by 110. That is your answer. I hope so, my dear student, you are able to understand this method. So let's take one more question to make you very clear about this question. So let's see this question now. This is your question number 5. And fifth question is, find 5 rational numbers between, here you have 3 parts. First is 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. Second part is minus 3 upon 2 and 5 upon 3. Third part is 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 2. So let's take the first part. What is given rational number? That you need to write first step as we did in previous question. Given rational numbers are 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. You can see, my dear student, both denominator are different. One is 3, one is 5. So directly I am not supposed to use my n plus n rule. First I need to take LCM. Once denominator is same, then you can apply n plus L rule, n plus 1 rule. You all know this 3 and 5 are prime numbers. In prime number you can directly multiply both, that is your LCM. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So next step, to convert these denominator into 15. First number is 2 upon 3. We need to multiply by 5 and 5 so that we can convert denominator into 15. 3 5 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10. Next case, 4 upon 5. We need to multiply by 3 and 3. Then 3 4 ja 12 and 5 3 ja 15. Now you can see, my dear student, you get two number. One is 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Both have same denominator. Then you can see 10 and 12. There is only one counting in between, 11. But we are interested to find out 5 countings or 5 rational numbers in between. So here once again we will apply the same rule. The value of n is equals to 5. Why the value of n is 5? Because here we need to calculate 5 rational numbers. To find rational numbers between the given rational number, we need to multiply the numerator and denominator by n plus 1. N is 5, that means n plus 1 becomes 5 plus 1, that is equals to 6. So as I told you, after finding this n plus 1, multiply whatever the number is coming to the above step. So you can see 10 upon 50 multiply by 6 and 15 also multiply by 6, that is 10 6 ja 60, 15 6 ja 90. And second, 12 upon 15 multiplied by 6 and 6, 12 6 ja 72, 15 6 ja 90. Check, my dear student, here B in the rough area I have written 60 to 72. That means all the counting, those are coming in between 60 to 72, like 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. These are coming in between. You can divide this counting by 90. That is your answer. Hence, the 5 rational numbers between 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5 are 61 upon 90, 62 upon 90, 63 upon 90, 70 upon 90, 71 upon 90. Even you have choice, you can change these numbers. You can select any number out of these above given numbers. Any 5 you can select. Hope so, my dear students, you are able to understand this rule, how to calculate the rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. Thank you so much.